What's up, world? We're here at the BET Hip Hop Awards with one of the greatest, Molly, Tree Sound Studios. How are you, love?
I'm doing great.
Great. How does it feel to be out here walking the green carpet today?
It's good. I've been blessed to be able to come out a couple years in a row, and I'm dropping my record next year. I don't know if you noticed, but I tried to go around and not do the carpet, but they weren't having that.
We weren't gonna have that. We saw you. We gotta get something for you.
Absolutely. I appreciate
so when can are we gonna expect maybe a listening suite soon?
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna be real chill about it and just have some fun, because I came to Tree Sound to do a record and ended up helping everybody and cooking for everybody.
And cooking.
And now I'm just
we noticed all your food on Instagram. Looks good.
Well, look for a lot of parties from me, because I'm about to get my Diddy in the City on and have my first one outside the studio in 10 years yesterday. So
awesome. Well, tell us how to stay in contact with you.
It's just check out at @IM_Molly, @IM_Molly on Instagram or Twitter.
Awesome. Well, thank you. We'll see you on the inside.